Hi viewers, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Now today we've got this lovely Juke. So this is the F15 model. It's got the 1.2 petrol engine, and the customer complaint on this one is lack of power, a huge misfire, and a few warnings on the dashboard. So I just went ahead and did a quick scan on the vehicle, which I can show you now. I'm gonna start by seeing what's going on with the engine module. So AC, we are not worried about that today. So misfire cylinder 1, coil A and B. So it's basically multiple misfires. Misfire on cylinder 1, coil, ignition coil A, ignition coil B, engine signal from the ABS, which is about right, because obviously the engine is in limp mode, so the ABS and the ABS system can't work properly. So air con system, so we're not worried about that at the moment, and all the others not too important. Life support first, just to make sure that the voltage is good. Now, I always like to check the oil level, like not just the oil level, all the levels basically, when working on this sort of engine. Because, well, engine oil is engine oil, isn't it? It's the most important part, one of the most important components on the actual engine, and can't really see, but it's quite low, which is on this engine is a red flag straight away. So it's down there. It's not on a minimum yet, but it's quite close. Now, as we saw, this is we've got a quite big misfire, so we're gonna start by checking the spark plugs and checking for the compression, because the compressions are, when this engine is cranking, it sounds like with low compression. So we're gonna start from there. Yeah. Just taking the boost pipe, or the intake pipe if you like, off. Which is this one here. There we go. Move this thing to the side, and then take the spark plugs, take the ignition coils, take the spark plugs, and check the condition of those things. We're just starting from here because as we saw, there was multiple misfires. I just wanted to start by checking the condition of the actual spark plugs to make sure that everything is fine, see if there is anything wrong with the spark plugs, and then check the compression as well on this engine, because like I said, it sounds like the cranking is cranking too quick, so it sounds low compression to me. go, ignition coils. That's a bit tight. All good. All good so far. Oh, it's not a good sign. It's not a good sign because it's that stuck. It means that this engine, well, never had is a bit too much, isn't it? But I would say not had spark plugs anytime soon. So yeah, we're gonna take those off, see what's going on in there. Oh, this one is loose. The third one is quite loose, and the fourth one as well. So probably someone has been here before. Who knows? I don't know. Unfortunately, I left my crystal ball at home today, so I'm not going to be able to see it. I'm not going to be able to tell it. Which is a shame. Sometimes it would help a lot, the backstory of these things. But hey yo, what do we know? It's wet. It's proper wet. I don't know if you can see it on my glove. Spark plug is proper wet. This one is black. This one looks like this. I don't know if you can see the tip of it, but yeah, they're quite dark. Oh, and actually, we do have a selection of different plugs here. So we do have NGK, see there, and then we've got Nissan. I don't know if you can see it or not, but yeah, two types of spark plugs, which is always good, don't get me wrong. that is perfect. Now, okay, let's carry on. Let's check the compression on this. See if the issue or misfire is internal or not. So yeah, this is my setup. So we're gonna now check the compressions. So I'm just gonna crank the engine. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but probably not. So I'll come back and I'll show you the readings. Ouch. It did not move one bit. Let's try the other one. Because, well, our tool could be in bad shape. We never know. But let's find out. Let's check all the others and obviously compare. Our tool is good. So the second cylinder, it's got 150, 160, 170, 170 psi. So 0 on the first one, 170 on the second one. Let's see the third. This is not looking good, fortunately. About the same. This one 160 in a tiny little hair. That's it. And then the last one. Let's see. At least a little bit. Yep, that's all good on this one. So we're gonna double check the first one, just to make sure, because, well, 0 0, so a dead misfire is a dead misfire. But yeah, just double check just to make sure that I've put the tool correctly in. And we haven't got nothing. It does sound like that on this engine. It's basically like cranking and nothing happens. So, well, from here, just gonna take this thing off and then see if I can see anything inside of the combustion chamber using a boroscope, and yeah, see what happened, if there is a damaged piston, or if there is scoring on the cylinder, or if there is a broken valve. Who knows? So bear with me, guys. I'm gonna set up the camera and I'll bring you guys back in a minute. This is it, guys. I think we found our problem. So unfortunately, this engine has a broken valve. That's why it has no compression on this cylinder. So the first cylinder. Yeah, unfortunately, bad news for this customer. So we gotta let him know what he wants to do. Well, we're gonna let him know our findings and what he's basically want us to do. So this is gonna be a separate video if he wants to go ahead and do and rebuild this engine. So this needs at least a top end, rebuild the top end, but we're gonna inform the customer that and go from there. So that's it, guys.